And we've got the earnings for NIO. The earnings wasn't that bad, guys. 0.01% suppressed. This is the first earnings that we have green for NIO for this year quarter. Let me just show you exactly what I mean here. We have bad earnings twice, and now we have a good earnings for NIO finally. That's why we jumped almost 10%. We already discussed this trade yesterday, guys, for our Discord and Patreon for our traders to trade and enter around the $4.28 and then take profit around the $4.59 and almost the $5 where we're gonna go right now. Yesterday, before the market closed by 2 hours. So in today's video, we're gonna discuss where the price will go, what we should do. Are we gonna have another pump for NIO or not? So hit the like button, subscribe, and let's discuss NIO price target after the earnings. As we said, guys, let me just show you what's going on in the big picture, because in the big picture something drastic happened. Let me just show you what I mean, because here we broke this trend actually around this level, exactly around this channel, because last time we have this test back around April, we went to the new low around the $3.60. We reversed big time, almost 100%. After that, we have the bad earning, and we continue to go down and never broke this level of resistance until now, after we got the good earnings. And guess what? We have 10%, and it's still the price jumping toward the $10. Right now, we have to be extremely careful because NIO is heavily shorted, and it's still near the bottom, which is the $3.60. But the good thing is the good earnings saved NIO, guys, because if we don't have good earnings and we broke the $3.60, we could have actually went toward the $2.50 and beyond, below the $2.50. But now we have a reversal. We held over the $3.60. Now we have a new support for NIO over the $4.30 and $4. Watch out for the current resistance and squeeze zone for NIO, because we got at the $5 psychological level for NIO to hit. Because after we break the $5 NIO, we could go further higher toward the $5.50, $6, $7, not the $10, not yet. But for now, we're gonna have the most important level to test, which is around the $5. We see that even the analyst rating give NIO more price target or adjusted price target. We have almost NIO's second quarter loss narrow as the revenue source 99% annually. So this we have some news regarding the revenue, because the revenue actually not that bad compared to the last earning that we have, because earning was really bad compared before. 72 million suppressed down, and even for the earnings almost 10% suppressed down. But for this one, as we said, this is the first time for NIO that we have a green earnings. As we said, guys, in the coming days and this month, we're gonna have a drastic change in the price action and bullish run, because we broke this bearish channel for NIO. Now we need to hold over the $4 in order to break the $5 and go toward the $5.50 and almost around the $6 for NIO in coming days, or at least for this month, to see if we're gonna continue to go higher. We're gonna update you guys about the other levels for NIO and the other stocks, because we always do updates, not for just NIO, and we do day trade plus swing trade. For NIO, it was swing trade from yesterday, and we did of course for WISA that we closed yesterday and hit two profit taking. This was the day trade, of course, and we traded many stocks for today. The trade that was good for today, it was for iqst, which jumped until the $2.73. Now have a bit of struggle to continue to go higher. However, it was really great trade for today. So join us tomorrow, guys, for our live streaming that we're gonna do daily, of course, 30 minutes before the market open, or 9 a.m. Eastern time. And the early live streaming, we always start around 7 a.m. Eastern time, where we discuss iqst before going down, of course, around the $3. So it was a good trade, this one, in the pre-market, where we discuss it here on our live streaming. Let me just show you exactly what I mean. Here it was around our level, and of course hit our profit taken in the pre-market around the $2.85. So then pre-market, sometimes it will be better entry than the market itself, because the market maker take their profit and the price will go down. So guys, hit the like button, subscribe, and of course join us, the link in the comment section below, to our Discord and Patreon. So thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.